Ready to supercharge your Minecraft server with awesome new abilities? First, log into your Minecraft server hosting provider's control panel, your central hub for all things server-related. Next, navigate to the file manager, often found on the left sidebar. This is where you'll be uploading the plugin files. Open the plugins folder. It's the designated spot for all your server's enhancements. Now, it's time to upload your chosen plugin, downloaded from a trusted source, into this folder. Simply drag and drop the jar file or use the upload button. Once the plugin is uploaded, restart your Minecraft server from the control panel to activate the new additions. Monitor the server console during startup. You should see the plugin initializing and any related messages. To fine-tune your plugins, locate their configuration files within the plugins folder. Open them and adjust the settings as desired, but be careful when changing these. And that's it. Now get ready to explore the endless possibilities that plugins bring to your Minecraft server. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Minecraft server tips and tricks.